Welcome back to Bike Hub, the home of power, performance, and two-wheel legends. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated machines of the year, the all-new 2026 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-09R. A bike that bridges the gap between the legendary ZX-6R and the ferocious ZX-10R, the ZX-09R redefines what middleweight supersport performance really means. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution in Kawasaki's sportbike DNA. Design and aerodynamics. Let's start with what you can't miss, that aggressive, aerodynamic design. The 2026 ZX-09R inherits its silhouette from the World Superbike winning ZX-10RR but with a sleeker and more compact stance. The front fascia now features dual LED projector eyes with Kawasaki's signature wing daytime running lights, giving it a fierce, track-bred look even at idle. Aerodynamic winglets have been subtly integrated into the fairing, not just for style but to increase downforce at high speeds. Every curve, every vent, and every contour has been shaped in Kawasaki's wind tunnel. At 200 km/h, this machine cuts through the air with 10% less drag compared to the ZX-6R, ensuring more stability, less lift, and sharper handling. The tail section, minimal, muscular, and clean. It screams speed from every angle, the kind of design that turns heads even in the paddock. Engine and performance. Under the fairing lies Kawasaki's latest innovation, a new 948cc inline-4 engine. This heart is derived from the Z900's platform but completely re-engineered for track aggression and superbike-grade performance. We're talking about over 140 horsepower, 90 Nm of torque, and a screaming redline near 13,000 RPM. This isn't a detuned street engine, this is a purpose-built supersport motor, tuned for explosive midrange and lightning-fast throttle response. The 2026 ZX-09R features ride-by-wire technology, allowing precision throttle control in multiple riding modes: Sport, Road, Rain, and Track Pro. And when you flip it into Track Pro, everything changes, throttle response sharpens, traction control loosens, and the bike transforms into a corner-devouring weapon. To keep things cool, Kawasaki redesigned the liquid cooling system with twin high-flow radiators, ensuring consistent performance during long sessions at the circuit. Transmission and riding experience. Power means nothing without control, and that's where the 6-speed quick shifter gearbox steps in. Kawasaki's latest bidirectional quick shifter ensures clutchless upshifts and downshifts so seamless, you'll wonder how you ever rode without it. The slipper clutch has been refined to reduce back torque and wheel hop, making aggressive downshifts smoother and more controlled. And for 2026, Kawasaki introduces an optional electronic semi-automatic shifting system, inspired by MotoGP technology. Imagine flicking through gears with just your fingertips, without touching the clutch lever. That's pure race feel, brought to the street. The riding position is balanced, aggressive yet comfortable. The clip-ons are lower, the footpegs slightly rear-set, and the seat provides a perfect mix of grip and support. This is a bike that invites you to push harder, lean deeper, and accelerate longer. Chassis and handling. Let's talk handling, because the 2026 Ninja ZX-09R is not just fast in a straight line. The new aluminum twin spar frame is 20% lighter yet stiffer than before, contributing to razor-sharp agility and precise feedback. Combined with a lightweight subframe and a shorter wheelbase, this Ninja reacts instantly to rider input. At the front, the ZX-09R features Showa's balance-free front fork BFF, the same technology used in superbikes, giving exceptional stability under braking and corner entry. At the rear, a BFRC monoshock offers customizable damping for track and street setups. Cornering ABS, traction control, wheelie control, and launch control all come standard, powered by Kawasaki's IMU-based electronic suite. This system constantly monitors lean angle, acceleration, and traction, adjusting power delivery in milliseconds. So whether you're carving mountain roads or chasing lap times, the ZX-09R feels like it's reading your mind. Electronics and smart features. Welcome to the digital side of Kawasaki's new beast. The 2026 ZX-09R introduces a 5.5-inch full-color TFT display, seamlessly integrated into the cockpit. It supports Kawasaki Radiology app, Bluetooth, and even turn-by-turn navigation, features that bring superbike sophistication to daily rides. Through the Radiology app, riders can view live telemetry, lean angles, G-forces, lap times, and even throttle position. It's like having a pit crew engineer in your pocket. You also get 3 levels of traction control, adjustable engine braking, and launch control assist for perfect starts. There's also cornering management and power mode selection, letting you fine-tune every parameter to your skill level. And for the first time on a midweight Ninja, adaptive cruise control and front collision alert are available as options. That's safety and convenience, without sacrificing thrill. Exhaust and sound. When you twist that throttle, the ZX-09R answers with a roar that's pure Kawasaki soul. The new titanium exhaust system is EUR 06 compliant but tuned to unleash a deep, raw tone that grows sharper with every RPM. Inside, a revised intake resonance chamber enhances that aggressive intake howl, giving the bike a signature sound that's both thrilling and unmistakably Ninja. For riders who crave even more, Kawasaki offers an Akrapovic performance exhaust kit, cutting 5 kilograms of weight and adding a few extra ponies on the dyno. Braking system. All that speed demands equally powerful stopping force. The 2026 ZX-09R is equipped with dual 320mm Brembo discs up front, paired with Stylema calipers, the same found on the ZX-10RR. At the rear, a 220mm disc with a single piston caliper provides stable, precise feedback. The bike's braking is managed by Kawasaki Intelligent ABS KIBS, which adapts braking pressure in real time for maximum stability, even under extreme lean angles. Whether you're on the track or in the city, this braking system gives you full confidence at your fingertips. Weight and balance. Kawasaki engineers obsessed over every gram. Using a new forged aluminum frame, lightweight magnesium covers, and hollow die-cast swingarm, the 2026 ZX-09R tips the scales at just 190 kilograms wet. That's lighter than most 600cc sport bikes, but with power closer to a liter-class monster. The result: explosive acceleration, effortless direction changes, and stability even at triple-digit speeds. Ergonomics. Supersport bikes are known for punishing riding positions, but Kawasaki's design team took a smarter approach. The 2026 ZX-09R seat height sits at 825mm, perfect for average riders. The handlebars are slightly raised compared to the ZX-10R, providing a balance between aggressive track posture and real-world comfort. The tank has deep knee cutouts for better grip and aerodynamics, while the new foam seat design reduces fatigue on long rides. Even small touches like adjustable levers, anti-vibration foot pegs, and optimized windscreen height show that Kawasaki thought about real riders, not just racers. Daily riding and practicality. You might think the ZX-09R is all about the racetrack, but Kawasaki made sure it's a joy to ride on the streets too. The ride-by-wire throttle and traction modes make low-speed city riding surprisingly smooth. Fuel efficiency has improved by 12% compared to the ZX-6R, thanks to advanced AQ mapping and variable valve timing. And yes, the 2026 model includes a quick-access USB-C port under the seat and LED lighting all around for modern convenience. It's a superbike that doesn't mind a coffee run. Track performance. Put the ZX-09R on a racetrack, and you'll feel the difference immediately.